Is your PC complaining that the libintl-8 library DLL is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows systems specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. Before we begin the walkthrough for libintl-8 library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the libintl-8 library, the GNU Gettext Internationalization library, V8. It provides the unmanaged routines for localized text string translation, Gettext, within cross-platform open-source software ports on Windows. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Reinstalling GNU is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing libintl-8 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that libintl-8 library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes libintl-8 library-related documentation. If you've regained access to libintl-8 library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.